first thing I like to do is get the bolt catch in and out of the way. You're going to need your roll pin starter. Insert your roll pin into the top so that you can get it started. Lay the flat part against the receiver. This does have a rubberized coating on it so it doesn't scratch. Your roll pin is here, and you're just going to tap this guy in, and there it goes. It already started. So now you take this one off and you use your punch, roll pin punch, which has a little dimple here that fits inside the back of the roll pin. And now that it's started, it doesn't need to trap it because it's already set in place by the metal. Just give it a couple of taps, start driving it through. So once you get it started and pushed all the way flush, take your spring and detent for the bolt catch, or not detent, but plunger. Put it in there and drop it into the machined hole right there. I'm going to point to it. There's a hole right there on the receiver. The spring goes in and then your plunger sits there. Your bolt catch has a hole in the side. That roll pin is going to go through there. So just push the plunger down, line up your hole right there. Put your roll pin punch on, and this is where you need 3 hands. So what I do is I use my palm to hold this guy down, and then my fingers to hold the roll pin punch in place. And if it doesn't start to go instantly, I just have to adjust it, which it did. It did go. Cool. So now we just got to hold it in place. Make sure it's going. Yep, we're good. So now you don't have to hold the bolt catch in place. You can just hold the roll pin punch. And we're almost all the way through. And there we go. We're good. So now bolt catch works.